What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to use Linktree to send multiple links on TikTok. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, let me discuss what is Linktree is. So Linktree is a application that lets you store multiple social media links of yours and stored it in one link. So as you can see in my screen, this is my link tree and this is all of my social media links, and I can just share it in one link. So this is my personal link right here, and I can just open it in a Chrome. Just go back, go to your Google Chrome, just paste your link tree link, and that's it. This is your personal link tree, and right here the list of my social media accounts that you can open. Linktree is awesome and you can download it for free, and also you can create a free account. And after you create a free account, if you want to add a new link, just click this add new link in the home page, and you can start adding all of your social media account or social media links. You can add multiple, and that's it. And if you want to share your link tree, just click share on the top right corner and click this link right here. And after you're finished copying or inserting all of your social media account in your link tree, you can now add it in your TikTok account. Just go to your TikTok, go to your profile, go to this top right corner, three lines, then go to your bio and just paste your link through link. And that's it. That's how easy it is. And you can now have your audience or followers go to your link tree when they go to your profile and they see your bio, and they can just check all of your other social media accounts or platforms, and you will gain more audience and gain more followers on TikTok, and not just on TikTok, in your other social media accounts too. And also, that's it. That's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.